The presumption against you is this: if you do not claim your estate, the courts presume you are acting as the surety. Remember, they get to choose, and nobody's going to place you above them. They're always going to place you at the lowest. All charges and obligations are attached to the name, which is the trust. You are treated as a commercial entity or debtor. Remember, I always tell each and every last one of you, no matter what, by default, you are self-employed. By default, you are self-employed. Okay, so this is why you must claim the certificated security and declare yourself the registered owner and holder in due course. Imagine a car title issued in your name, but you never claim it. Someone else starts using your car, trading it, collecting insurance money off of it, all while you get all the bills. That's exactly what happens when you don't claim your birth certificate estate, okay? So to explain how the legal fiction, the all caps, is separate from you, the living man or woman, and how this fiction represents a registered estate, you'll also learn how to properly claim your position as the principal over the estate and stop being treated as a surety, because that's what we don't want, right? So pay attention to legal fiction. Legal fiction, Black's Law Dictionary, the 6th edition, says this: an assumption or supposition of law that something which is or may be false is true, or that a state of facts exists which has never really taken place. That's what they have to say about legal fiction. Think about that. The legal fiction is an assumption. The legal fiction is the artificial person the government creates using your name in all capital letters. This name is used to register the estate created at birth in all government records, license, taxes, and court cases. All right, to interface with the legal system as a commercial entity. Okay. Important, the name is not you. It's a construct that represents your estate, the estate behind the actual fiction. Behind that name is a registered trust or estate created by the state upon your birth, and that estate is used as collateral in the public debt system, subject to statutes, fines, charges, and taxation. It's managed by courts and agencies unless reclaimed by the rightful authority. The state operates as if you volunteered to manage or be liable for this estate unless you rebut the presumption. You are the living principle, not the legal fiction. You, the living man or woman, were created by God and not by the state.